6 नोव्हेंबर 1977 गोंयांक बायलां फुटबॉलान नंबर 1 करपी खेळगड्यांचे हाजेरीन सोमारा वेदांता-GFA वुमन्स फुटबॉल लीग राज्यांत अस्तित्वांत आयलो. अल्बर्ट प्रिन्सेस फ्लेमिंग ऑरेंज, पणजे डॉल्फिन्स, गोवा वेल्हा सेंट्स, सांता क्रूज कावेलोसी आनी कुंकळे वॉरियर्सान 137 प्लेयर्स ड्राफ्टांतल्यान घेतले.
Next we have Cuncolim Warriors. Sneha Fernandez. Shirley Fernandez.
गोंयची आदली प्लेयर जुलियाना गुरजावान ह्या सर्तीचे महत्व सांगले.
Grateful to Vedanta because we've been planning this for so long. And also to the village clubs, that's very important. Yes. You know, they came forward and they agreed to the draft. We've done a very fair draft, so I'm sure they all will be happy, and our players also will be happy because they'll get a little push also in their lives. And I'm sure in years to come, these players will really be very good for Goa. We did, first we took all the Goa players who represented Goa. So we have actually about 30 of the girls who are here today. Yes. They practice every Sunday. The draw will be on 13th of this month, and the first game will be on the 18th. 18th at Duler. It will be at 6 o'clock.
गोंयांत फुटबॉलाक वयर काडपाक पॉलिटिक्स कडेक दवरचें अशें मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकारान उलो मारला.
Come for 15-20 minutes because of two reasons. One, Elvis called me, so you can be very sure that I don't mix up politics in football. He should be also sure about it. I'm very sincerely making one call.
प्रुडंटा खातीर नीरज प्रभू आनी तुळशीदास च्यारी.